Good morning, guys. Welcome to Cebu, bye. Cebu. I love Cebu. Of course, it's election season is around the corner. So today we're gonna talk about the state of Cebu in the eyes of an ordinary citizen. So we're gonna call ourselves ordinary citizen. You know, what about? Yes, we can say that Cebu has problems. Definitely, yeah. You know, a lot of people, it's funny sometimes that even sitting government officials are the ones, you know, highlighting problems like, let's say, traffic, baha, tubig, because that's ironic, because you're a sitting government officials. I mean, sitting government officials can do something about it, diba? It's nice that you recognize the problems, you know, mga sitting officials, but the other side of the coin, you're there to solve or somehow, you know, find ways to ease those problems. So that's a reality. Na Cebu, we have traffic. Cebu, we have some problems really with flooding. Cebu, you know, I don't know, maybe they say we have overcrowding, we have people living in, you know, rivers or ganang bawal na lugar. But of course, we must accept that, but we also have to see, you know, how vibrant Cebu is, diba? We always, a lot of people say, especially election season, but they always see what's wrong daw, what's wrong, but you can see even sa skyline lang, and how many constructions are being built right now. SM, also pa na mga kita mo anak ka ng the cranes. It means that Cebu has jobs, Cebu has construction, Cebu has progress, diba? Cebu still is, yung tagbati ang Cebu, yung bati ang Cebu sa name a place ko na mas nindot na sa Cebu, you know, na point na ko ana ba, you have to also see that Cebu has jobs, Cebu has the vibrant, Cebu has, you know, the people. Cebu has, you know, things that naas Manila, naas capital, naas atong one, but you can enjoy the beach, you can enjoy the night tourism, na, you know, lively people, diba? You don't have to go so far para sa imong trabaho, diba? Sa Manila daghan oy. I mean, I lived in Manila, I lived in Quezon City, I work in Makati, kaya ba unsa na kalayo. Oh, diba? A nice thing na MRT lagi. But still ba, diba? Wala, mo lack of public transportation. Unsa na I lack because it also means there's a need because there's a demand. Oh, diba? So pasabot, why do you need an improved public transportation? Because your city is improving, your city is growing, your people need to move faster, diba? Your roads are already clogged, oh, diba? So I hope our leaders also see, you know, the beauty of Cebu, the vibrance of Cebu. Even Manila investors, big investors are coming, are investing in this island or even in this city. Dapat din na ito siraan, diba? Especially kung the ones running or the ones sitting kita yaboy manira, then the question is mubalik sa ila, what have you been doing, diba? It's like parang sa States, kung si Kamala Harris mo yung there's something wrong with their government, na kinanan usbon, then come to think of it, you're the VP, you're there, you're part of the administration. So what have you been doing? Why you say na ingana, diba? O diba, you should, I don't know, mana ingana na nakuan ba na. We have to make our sitting or even the administration, the incumbents, accountable for their actions. Dapat, if the ones running is an incumbent, dapat isulti are good stuff, diba? Now what have you done? What's so nice? Now our Cebu is better from 3 years ago. Dili ka nang kuan, hopefully nga na ba na the people should be the ones sitting accountable. Muna kay mga misgivings ba na kay di ba? Kung naging na kay pagkukulang lagot kay Cebu, boy kagbati ang Cebu, then ngano mo elect mo the same people na who couldn't do anything to make Cebu better. Oh, so that's the question, di ba? Or I'm not only talking about Cebu, ha? I can talk about, it could be in your own cities, in your own towns, in your own provinces. Kung daghan kag reklamo, then why are you voting for the same people, di ba? That can't do anything about it, di ba? So maybe you need a change in leadership. You need a change of people who would manage the resources of your city, di ba? Or town or province. So ako, pero Cebu, I would always say the Cebu is still growing. Cebu is still have potential to improve. Hindi ko mabahaman ka ako, nabahaan man yun ko na diba? Experience flooding. We experienced flooding. Until now, we haven't came back to our house. Diba? We're living somewhere far. But that's the point. If you have misgivings, if you're a sitting official, please don't say about your problems. Maybe say about solutions, but come on, you're sitting, naglingkod naman mo. Then how come you didn't do anything, diba? During your time when you're sitting down. So mo na ikuan lang ana na hopefully the incumbents will highlight the things that they've done na better in the 3 years of sitting down. Hopefully this is like a referendum. It should be, you should talk about accomplishments. That's not problema man ang highlight. That's the job of the oppositions, to highlight the problems and also present their solutions. Diba? Dapat ipakita nito what in those 3 years, guys, in your towns and cities, has it become better? Diba? So your life became better in 3 years. Obviously, 3 years ago, sa year na to, 3 years ago, 2022, pandemic pa to, probably you would say it was better. Pero man akong point lang ana what have they done lately ba? Did they do something to improve your lives? Did they do something to deserve your votes again? No, diba? Or is it time for change? Diba? Walang na ba? Hindi ba na kuan? It's always gonna be a questioning. How we question things, diba? And hopefully kita as voters, as citizens, we would be able to think, diba, deeply. Morning evaluation time, it's the grading time, diba? Okay, of course, we can go beyond those guns, kanabang personal mga attack sa mga politiko, mga ilang mga mudslinging, but we want to talk about changes, issues, diba? Diba? The pain points, are they causing pain points or are they solving your pain points? Pamanay ko ni, diba? Ano tayo pain points sa itong gobyerno? But we need to know if our leaders are solving our pain points, diba? So ako, I would say, kahit paano, diba, Cebu still vibrant, Cebu is still good, Cebu still provide jobs, Cebu, the quality of life here, in a way, where makaingon still better or even as good as the best out there. Diba, when it comes to income, when it comes to opportunities, so, diba, para magnaaman, opportunities for employees, opportunities for employers, aghan man. Or I know there are challenges, may challenges, what ano yung Di ba? Sobrang kalami. Naagi na yung mga problema, di ba? Progress has its own problems na asawa ka ng traffic. Ito yung daghan kayo magsige reklamo ng traffic. Traffic means business. Good traffic means people are traveling. Nanay trabaho. There's no reason for people to travel or kaning maglakaw-lakaw sila kung di na trabaho, di na negosyo, di na eskwela. I mean, maybe leisure or even tourism, di ba? Ma-traffic yun. So kung may traffic in yung lugar, it could also mean yan, di ba? That there's no progress, there are no investments, there are no jobs. Di ba? Kanabang lahi ang opportunities. Diba? So ba na may mga tao na mo reklamo ng traffic. May reklamo tag baha. Sometimes baha is really the function of overcrowding. Dagan na muyo. Dagan tag basura. Waste management. Yes, kailangan yun ang waste management do. Because you know, you need waste management when there are more people throwing garbage, or even not only people, mga kumpanya, mga construction, we have malls, mga unlandaan sa malls. So, di ba? Not only food waste, mga utin, mga plastic, mga packaging. So, meaning, the economy is moving, na namalit, kaya na may ilabay. Di ba? Anang sobra kita pagkaon means there's a surplus. So problems are gonna be there. Di ba? Pero but officials are not there para manaway, para mo yun to highlight the problems, but their job is to solve those problems for us, making it make it easier for us. Para ng traffic, kind of traffic there is wala. Ilang trabaho na is to ease this traffic up, diba? Find solutions, maybe build more roads, or offer, a public transportation that can that can be more efficient in moving people, diba? From buses to trains to whatever, unsa na yung mga solutions na imong mauna-unaan. Pero or even training na lang ani, or even traffic management systems, diba? Ano yung trabaho nila? So hopefully we will think, this election, or when you choose your leaders, you have to think of accomplishments, diba? Diba? Mayawin si Inday nila Bangman. You have to think of many things na pwede na masulbad nila, and then ila bang gibuhat tanong paagi. Diba? If you look at Cebu, diba? Years ago, even 10 years ago, or even when we started doing this driving stuff, you can see some good changes one side, diba? So all I can say is, so pick the right leaders, choose wisely, and hopefully we continue to be one of the best cities, not only in the Philippines, diba? Maybe even from as a world, in a standpoint sa world, diba? Cebu, not only city, the island has been, in a way, one of the really nice progress pa na trabaho, na tourism, so I'm hoping it na makuha ng Cebu. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.